Let's achieve this 360 wig install together. This wig is from Ali Bonnie Hair. It came with combs and stitching on the inside. I cut out everything and left the straps. Now let's get Cleo prepped by removing all the dirt and oil around the perimeter of her hairline and protecting it with some Erica J Skin Protect. I'm gonna have her hold the ball cap down so she's stretching it at the same time as she's holding it because I want it to be ultra thin. That's what's gonna help it look more bald and scalp-like. So I'm securing the edges of the ball cap down with Got2b hairspray, not glue. After I cut the excess ball cap off, then I'm gonna go in with one layer of glue to ultra secure that ball cap down, baby. We're using 2 different shades, blending them together to get her exact complexion. That bald or is it bald? Put the wig in a bun, place it on top of the head, and roll it back so you can start applying your 3 layers of glue. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay the lace down into the glue using our fingers to press it in. I hot combed the edges down in the back beforehand so that after it's melted, I don't have to get the hot comb so close to the scalp and nearly burn the client. So that's why you see those edges combed down in the back already. So we've already melted down the hair. We took her out of the dryer. I've did the baby hairs. I combed them out. And here's the Barbie. It's a Barbie. Is it not a life-size Barbie? Effortless bun. Hope you love it.